Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just a quick end of the day update. Today, not too much movement. It seems like Ethereum is corrective of the lows at the moment. And I primarily look for one more low here. As I said, we don't need that one more low. It could already turn around. Again, we are in a structure where price has done enough on the downside, but it would seem likely to get one more lower high and one more lower low, especially as long as we stay below 1720. As I explained in the last video, it would take a break above 1720 for me to indicate or confirm what do I want to do? Oh yeah, that a low is in, because that is the level, the price above the candle that caused the sell-off yesterday, which was at 1720, just below that basically. So that would be a good level, yeah, as orientation. Price can break above that, especially if it's an impulsive break, that we can indicate that a low is in. That would be very good. However, until then, it seems reasonable to expect that we are in a fourth wave. I'm also going to give you resistance in this video. For that purpose, we're going to just hide the 50% FIB level. We're already below that. Then we can see resistance better. So if I draw the fibs for resistance for wave 4, standard resistance, yeah, also quite coincidentally, also points to 1720. So the 50% FIB level, ideally we stay below that, which is to 1724, but that doesn't really matter, that difference. And we should then get one more low, possibly to round about 1530. Below that, I've got 1450 as support. Ideally, if we are really in this scenario in which Ethereum is now in this larger 1-2 setup, in an ideal world, it would not break below 1530, or at least not break and sustain below that level. If it does, we might deal with a much deeper support and we have to give it room all the way down to 1200. Below 1200 opens the door to new bear market lows, but that's nothing I'm primarily looking for at the moment. We're in a situation again where the indicators are quite oversold, and we had a lot of corrections in crypto before that ended with a flush like this. Sometimes we don't get the last wave 4 and 5, so that's why I give you that 1720 level as orientation. If we're now looking at the more like the microstructure, it looks as if we are in some kind of a wave 4. Yeah, I mean, this might now develop over the weekend. I would not be surprised. This could develop, for example, into a triangle. That's a possibility. This looks corrective of the lows, so we can even go to the 15-minute chart. Looks like this is a 3-wave move. Looks like we're now coming down in a 3-wave move. So what it might be doing is here an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. We have 3 waves down already, but again, it might drop a little lower here. But this could also develop into a triangle, yeah. But either way, what would be the level we need to break to confirm basically we're breaking down? Well, at least it would become much more likely, or it's a very first indication that we are already on the way of breaking down. It's a break below basically 1600. Yeah. Then we have to expect that we're already heading down, but I would expect at the moment over the weekend, unless a flush happens today, another flush. I'm quite happy it didn't, because it allows for a healthy wave 4 development on the weekend. Quite pleased with that. I assume at the moment, from what I can see, that we are hovering between 1720 and 1600 throughout the weekend. It might develop a triangle. It might just do a normal ABC. We'll see how that correction is unfolding. At the moment, it's a bit too early to say what kind of correction it is. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.